Não encontrei ninguém que tenha a beleza dela. Sou do morro, sou favela, mas meu coração se apaixonou por essa Cinderela. Ela é da zona sul, loirinha de olho azul, e o impasse é upa.
Morning, how can I help you today?
Morning, I have a cough and my doctor prescribed this cough syrup.
I see. Let me explain how to use it properly.
Okay, thank you.
I think you should take this cough syrup 3 times a day because it can help reduce your cough symptoms.
So, I take it off before after meals.
It is better to take it after meals to avoid stomach discomfort.
How to measure the correct dose?
The cough syrup should be measured using the measuring cup provided in the package before it is taken.
Can I use a regular spoon?
No, I recommended using the measure cup to ensure the correct dose is taken.
What if I forget to take one dose?
You may take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular schedule.
Are there any side effects?
Some people may experience drowsiness or dizziness after taking this medicine. You should not take more than the recommended dose because it may cause unwanted side effects such as excessive drowsiness or nausea.
Can I drive after taking this medicine?
If you feel sleepy or dizzy, you should avoid driving or operating machinery.
Thank you for the explanation.
You're welcome. Please take the medicine as directed, drink plenty of water, and contact your doctor if your cough does not improve within a few days.
Okay, thank you very much.
Get well soon. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.